Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm unboxing Apple MacBook Air M5 chip, and this is the latest MacBook, and it has M5 chip and plus 10 core CPU and 10 core GPU, which is graphic processing unit, and it comes with the 16 gig of RAM and plus 1 terabyte memory, so which is quite good if you are working for big files and all that. So let me show you how good is the MacBook, and this is the midnight color, and let me show you what's inside the box and how it looks like. And in the end, if you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, let me show you what's inside the box. So we are going to have this box for Apple MacBook. So this is my beautiful Apple MacBook. So this is the MacBook, and you can see this is the charging cable they have provided, and plus this is some instruction booklet for setup, and this is the power adapter. It is a wall adapter. So this is the MacBook Air M5 chip processor, and with the 10 core CPU and 10 core GPU. And as you can see on the right side, I will be showing you here. On the right side, you can see this is the point for the audio mic. So you can see that this is the one, and on the left side, this is the point for charging, and it has two USB Type-C points. As you can see, this was pretty much inside the box. This is the empty box for MacBook, and this is beautiful MacBook 13.6 inches with M5 chip processor, and this is the power wall adapter and the charging cable, and plus some instruction manual you can go through. So this is the detailed product feature of Apple MacBook Air 13-inch M5 chip, 10 core CPU, 10 core GPU, 16 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte midnight color, and it is currently on sale in Australia for 2,549 AUD. And this is a popular website, goodguys.com.au. And so firstly, this is the pictures they have provided. So this is the picture. As you can see, the color midnight and M5 processor and long 18 hours battery life, and 12 megapixel of center stage camera, 3 mic and full speaker surround with spatial audio. So now you can see the detail. So this is the detail given on the website, and this is the information from Apple, and you can see the specification. So this is the model number, and 13.6 inches is the screen, and brightness is 500 nits, and storage space is 1 terabyte, and Wi-Fi 7, and battery life is quite good. It is 53.8 WH lithium battery with up to 18 hours of video streaming, which is quite good. And operating system is Mac operating system, and you can see the display resolution, which is again quite good. It is 2560 to 1664 and 224 ppi. So 16 gig of RAM and 4 speaker sound system, and support for spatial audio, and 3 mic array. So that is, and it comes with the 1 year warranty. And further, you can see the screen size feature is there, LED backlit for the night time if you want to use the laptop. And so it comes with the USB-C port, and 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports it has. And so that is pretty much the feature of this, and you can see the technical dimensions also, but this is for the box and the product. So, and you can go through that. So guys, this was Apple Air MacBook M5 processor, and thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another unboxing video. Thank you.